This is not a natural position with the index finger and the middle finger half dangling, but the hand is in this position when using most mouses. This is the most natural position. We assume a natural position like this to control the mouse, relieving the distortion on our fingers for us that use the mouse for a long time. Tmouse2, use your mouse in the most natural and comfortable position. These are the forward and backward keys, corresponding to the forward and backward keys in the Windows interface in an intuitive way. The forward and backward keys are generally set on the right side of a traditional mouse, but most users would click in the Windows interface rather than use them, for they do not correspond to the functional keys in the window interface, and the users are unwilling to waste time to make judgments. The touchpad is just below the fingers, so the user can slide the touchpad below without moving his fingers. We also set a sound corresponding with the slide, which reduces your faulty operation and invalid operation and provides a wonderful experience as you slide along with the buzzing sound. You will find the interface inertial as you slide the touchpad rapidly. This makes browsing a lengthy web page more convenient by saving the trouble of rolling the wheel continuously for a long time, which is really cool. Tmouse2's touchpad possesses a cross-slip function, so you can turn the pages to view the picture or move horizontally. This function is useful for your office work and web browsing. When your fingers are too rough, or your cell phone is far away from you, or when you are lazy, you can use Tmouse2 with a Bluetooth.
Introducing the Sling. We've taken the best of our bigger bags and fit them in a compact form, perfect for everyday use. We designed the Sling to be able to carry all of your essentials in a sleek and adaptable way. Keep your phone charged with the USB port. Sorry dude, it's mine. The Sling is cut-proof and extremely hard-wearing. That's because it's made out of the most cut-resistant fabric in the world. Crafted out of the highest quality materials, the strap is so strong it can even tow a car. Keep your hands free when exploring the city. Compatible with your favorite accessories like quad lock, so you can quickly move into your daily commute. Magnetic clips are smooth and quick. Stay active without having to carry a massive backpack. Save time and hassles when on the move. And keep your valuables safe. Perfect for traveling. Say goodbye to bulky pockets and clutter. It's all right there. It's water resistant, stain proof, and exceptionally durable. Light, sleek, and totally essential. Sling by Alpaca.
Do you hate this? 3 easy steps to break the boundary on the internet. Step 1. Find a place that has Wi-Fi access. Your hotel room, a famous coffee shop, your vidblog shooting set, your new office, or your mother-in-law's kitchen. Step 2. Open your favorite website, like YouTube, Youku, if you know what I'm talking about. Step 3. Have your Butterfly VPN ready and connected. Now, connect to Butterfly filtered Wi-Fi and blow your favorite website thrived for life. How beautiful! Butterfly VPN is the smallest and lightest VPN device in the market, especially designed for travelers. What an ordinary flash drive look it has. Unlike VPN apps that are easily to be removed by the App Store or refusing you mysteriously during certain days. Shit. Butterfly VPN won't be censored unless it's physically unplugged. What is the best? After setting up, people can share your unblocked Wi-Fi in a second. Your friends and colleagues. Online freedom for all. In addition, Butterfly VPN automatically picks the location for the best internet speed for you. No country list TBD. You also have the freedom to choose securing your data and blocking AD pop-ups. Butterfly VPN is the smallest and lightest VPN device in the market,